Babe, quiero ir más rápido.
No, babe.
Pero quiero ir más rápido.
No, you'll break it.
Más rápido, rápido, rápido.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
We hope you guys are doing well.
In this video, we're going to be opening a new bash rig for Mrs. Propaganda. She wanted to get into bashing, so we went ahead and picked this up. But before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know we're getting closer and closer to the 4,000 mark for subscribers, and when we hit 4,000, we're going to do a DX5 radio giveaway. So this is my green one. The one that we're going to give away is a brand new one that Spectrum sent me when it messed up. They just sent me a new one. No receiver or anything. It's a radio only, and it's just the regular color. But this is what it will look like, minus the green. So make sure you subscribe if you want to enter to win one of those. We will do a separate video. Also, visit our Teespring link if you want to get a cool Scale Life shirt like this. The link's in the description. But let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to let Mrs. Propaganda do this all on her own. So she's going to open it.
I love opening these boxes.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Who doesn't, huh?
Yeah, it's always fun opening up a new RC. You get a sharp knife this time. That's good. Okay.
You want to do the drum rolls?
Very good drum roll, huh?
Ah.
So guess what color she got? You'll never guess. You'll never guess. Whoa, whoa, it's so little.
Hope you guys are guessing. Woo!
No zip ties or nothing.
Ow, my finger.
Wow, it's funny. It's little. I didn't expect it to be so tiny. Oh, she's doing the best part already. She's not even waiting until she gets to the other stuff.
Because this is so satisfying.
Yeah. Whoa, wow, she's even getting an RC whiff?
Yeah.
Let me give it a whiff. Oh, yeah.
So
Fresh
good?
Chinese plastic, baby. Okay, what else you get in there? Oh, she's just throwing the boxes away.
Sorry.
Wow.
Oh, it looks like a baby one, right?
Yeah, that's why I got it for you. It's a little one, although it goes really fast. So they're saying, I think, on the box that it goes, let's see. The box says 60 miles an hour. So some people, obviously, have already got this, and it does go fast. But part of why I decided to get one of these is the radio. So when we pull that out, I will show you why.
But first...
Ooh, we got a bag of goodies.
Yeah, bag of goodies. We got manual.
Yeah, the manual. That's always nice.
A gun.
Oh, that's the funny tool. I got some photo ideas that we can do with that tool. It does include the 20-tooth pinion, so that is very nice, and it's a metal one. This has that really cool safety pin design on the pinion as well, which I really like that Arrma's moving to, so that's cool. Wow, they even included some other tethers for the body pins. Wow, that I have not seen. I haven't seen anybody bring that up. Let me show you those. That is a real nice feature in case they break off. They included more of these little guys. They pop in there, and you put your pins through there so you don't lose them. That's a really great design. Here's a look at that weird tool. So it comes with different sizes for the shock. So I think they're going to come out with another line of 4S vehicles because they did discontinue the 4S crate and an Outcast. I had an Outcast. I liked it. But honestly, the plastic chassis was just a little not as durable as I wanted. It broke a couple times. But I don't know. It was really cold when I broke it. And then I wanted to mod it and whatever. It's a whole long story. But the color was what attracted me to this one, and I think the size of it would be really good. And when she gets the remote out, I'll show you one other reason that I decided to pick this up for her. Then we'll pop the hood and take a look at a couple other things.
Okay.
All right, wow.
You've been
bubble
waiting
wrap.
For
Yeah.
the bubble wrap.
Yeah. Here, we put it on your cabeza.
Here we have
Okay, so this radio is the DX3 that comes with the Lozi as well, and I actually liked it. It feels good in the hand. You got the foam wheel, but what's great for a first-time basher, right, because Mrs. Propaganda is really only used to going slow. She's really good with the crawlers, but I've tried to let her play with the bashers a couple of times, and it has not been so great. So she's not going to be able to obviously handle this truck on 3S with full power, but it comes with the handy-dandy selector, 50, 75, and 100. So we'll start her off at 50, and she can work her way up, and we'll be able to see if she can handle full power. We're going to have to teach her to jump and all that stuff, but we'll see how it goes. But why don't you pull the body clips out and pull the hood up and show the beautiful people what we got. Wow.
There we go. Wow.
Okay. So this one's got all the Spectrum electronics in there. 3S capable. Now, I believe that might be the same ESC that's in the Lozi. People said they got it on 4S, but mine wouldn't work. It powered on, but I couldn't drive. So I'm not sure. You got the IC5 connector. We're gonna, with smart technology, we're gonna have to cut that off. And I'll get a XT90. Wow, it's really long, but that's good, I guess. So yeah, it's just a simple the Arrma lineup, just like the rest of their 3Ss. I'm not really sure. I know it's smaller than, say, the Big Rock, but it's got the. I like how the chassis goes up to keep dirt out and stuff. And I heard they're really simple to work on, and now that I kind of know what I'm doing, it is a little simple compared to maybe some other rigs. I don't know. I'm just trying to go off of what I remember on the 4S. So wow, the tires feel pretty nice. So there you have it. It's just a nice 3S truck. I mean, nothing crazy. The suspension out of the box, the rear feels good, but the front seems really like I can just bottom it out. So I might have to switch to something stiffer in the front. We'll have to drive it and see. But yeah, boom, that's it. The wing is all molded on there, which is really nice. So it just clips on through the back here. So you can replace it. It's not actually molded on, so there's 2 screws here. So that's good if it chips, breaks, or whatever. But the only thing I'm thinking is it's going to rip some of the body. I'm probably going to go ahead and do some drywall tape to it before I let her start driving it. It does have skids on the roof, which is a really cool feature. So when it flips over, it actually scrapes on those instead of your body. Especially this thing, right? Because look at how badass that looks.
Yeah.
It just looks really dope. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to show you. Look, we even got a wheelie bar in the back, which is nice because I bet this thing's going to be a wheelie beast. So it feels really stiff. So hopefully it holds up. The wheels are nice on there. Whoa, look at it spin. So, what do you think, babe? You happy with it?
Just imagine it go slow-mo. Yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to drive it and see how I do with it. I'm sure I'm gonna feel bad to damage this nice body, but
she's gonna damage
it. Oh well.
Yeah,
it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's gonna happen for sure. So let's see what else we got going on here. But yeah, I mean, everything looks good. I mean, I really like the size of it.
Yeah.
I would have to say, like, it's just a nice little truck. It's not gonna take up a lot of room. I'm going up to a monster truck event, so I think we'll take this, and if we find a bash spot, maybe we can do some video action. But yeah.
Slide too, so I can carry it myself.
Oh yeah. Well, alright guys, there you have it. The Arrma Vorteks is all unboxed and ready to rip. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, because we will be doing Mrs. Propaganda's first bash for sure with this bad boy. And I'm really curious to see how she does. Gonna have to figure out how she's going to hit the jumps and trying to teach her throttle control and all that, because with her crawler, that is definitely something she sometimes doesn't understand, and if she can't make an obstacle, she just pulls the trigger. It's she's got her very own unique style. So how's that radio feel in your hand?
I just go good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Compared to some of your other ones?
Feels fine.
Yeah. Interesting. I don't know.
Perfect size.
Guess we're gonna end it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, check out the Teespring link. You can live the scale life. Follow us on Instagram. I'm at RC_propaganda.
And follow me at Mrs_RC_propaganda.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video.
See ya.
Peace.